friends, this is Savitha. Welcome to your channel learning platform. In this video, we are going to learn sight words. Okay, also called frequent words. Yes, two letters. We are going to learn today two-letter words. Two-letter words. Frequent words means repeated words. These words repeatedly coming in our language or writing. Okay. Yes. Here see am, an, as, at, be, by, by, do, go, he, in, it, as, is, if, me, my, no, so, to, and of, on, or, up, us, we. These are the two-letter frequent words or sight words. These are very regular words. Very regular words. See, once again, am, an, as, at, be, by, do, go, he, in, it, is, if, me, my, no, so, to, of, on, up, us, we. Okay. Thank you.